In this video, we're going to see how to switch on the MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 2 from the virtual environment that you see right now here to your real environment. So suppose you want to see your real room and you want to open the menu and still be able to see your real environment. In this video, we're going to see how to do that. So now you are in the virtual environment and you have your controllers. On the right controller, there is this button over here. You have to press it and it will open the menu, specifically the quick settings. If you have the menu already open, then to navigate to this screen of the quick settings, you have to click on quick settings here. Now, if you want to switch to your real environment, you have to click on Passthrough, and you will be able to see the menu and your real environment. And if you want to switch back to the virtual environment, you have to open the menu again, if it is not already open, and click on Passthrough again.